Hello, monster friend. How are you? In the previous pill, I started the topic of strings, talking about single and double quotes. Now, I'm going to talk about triple quotes and backwards slash. You notice I can use triple quotes normally. Look, it's okay. Unlike single and double quotes strings, triples can contain multiple lines. But notice what Python put in the output. Lots of backslashes and n's and the letter n next to it. What does that mean? Exactly means each line break of the string. See the print function. Here you can use the three types of quotes without fear. But if you want to print the output with line breaks, you can use the backslash and n. See. The backslash n will not be printed, as it is a command that orders a line break right in the sequence. Nice, isn't it? Well, that's it for now. I will see you on the next pill. Bye bye.